Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever had ducts crashing into beams, but you don't see it until it's too late? If you're working with linked models in Revit, this one tool can save you hours. In today's video, we'll show you how to run an interface check between linked models so you can catch clashes early and fix them fast. Once you're ready, let's get started. First, you want to go to the Collaborate tab, click Interference Check, then New. Name it something clear like Link Clash Scan and hit OK. Clear naming matters when you're running multiple checks. On the left, choose categories from your current model. Think beams, floors, or walls. On the right, select your linked model, then pick up categories like ducts or pipes. Pro tip, only select what you actually need. Fewer categories means faster results and less noise. Right, quick pause for our architects and firm owners out there. If your deadlines are piling up and you need support with construction documents, we get it. At MGS Global Group, we're architects helping out other architects. And we've been doing this for 18 years, and our team plugs right into your workflow with on-demand project architects specializing in BIM. And we can start in as little as 24 hours. Check us out at mgsglobalgroup.com. Alright, back to the video. Once you're done, click Run Check, and Revit instantly generates a clash report with Element IDs. Double-click Enter Results, and Revit zooms straight to the problem, highlighting both elements. Use Show to isolate the clash in 3D or section views. If you need context, right-click and zoom to fit. You can also export these reports as HTMLs, perfect for sending to your MEP or structural team. Now, let's fix it. Reroute the duct, add an offset, or coordinate a beam adjustment. If it's a linked file, reload the link, rerun the check, and confirm it's gone. Always recheck, never assume. This saves you time and errors. For larger projects, set clear interference rules early so you're not flagging minor elements that don't matter. Master this tip and coordination becomes predictable, not painful. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more Revit efficiency workflows, and drop a comment with the worst clash you've had to fix. Work smarter, model clean, and happy drafting.